Today is the first day of fall, everybody. Can you believe it? Oh, check out these ornaments. Hocus pocus. Check out all this Nightmare Before Christmas merch.
That's actually...
God damn, Peter Pan's flight, 75 minutes again for like a 2-second ride. I love this ride, but I can never get on it. I never noticed that you could see the Contemporary Resort from Liberty Square. That's kind of weird. Check out this little birdhouse. Oh, wait a minute, it's fake. I thought it was a real birdhouse. I think the speaker system's in there. The Haunted Mansion is 55 minutes. That sucks. Well, here we are, Splash Mountain. Might as well ride Splash Mountain. You never know when they're gonna close this place. And when they close it, they close it. It could take up to 5 years for this place to be transformed into Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Seriously. I suggest that you all watching ride Splash Mountain, because when it closes, it's going to be closed for a long time, maybe up to 5 years. I bet you Epic Universe will be open before Tiana's Bayou Adventure opens here at Magic Kingdom. It could happen.
They texted for the chair. Oh my God!
Go. Oh, this is a little baby ball. Oh, look, it's the bridge from Uncle Doom.
Oh, yeah.
Man, there's so many things that are broken with Splash Mountain. These little water things coming out of there, they're not coming out. The up and down water, the little bees buzzing around. They just gave up on this. And it smells like a fire, electrical fire in here right now.
Let it go!
Oh, here we go.
You've got a laughing face. Maybe this one is yours. And where is
Now we're gonna head to Disney Springs, get a bite to eat, check out some stores. All right, here we are in Disney Springs. Let's go inside the Uniqlo store. got Snoopy stuff. I'm gonna get some of these shirts. That is good. Look how abandoned Sprinkles looks. This used to be the happening thing over here. It used to be like a long line, and now it looks like it's not even open.
I don't know. You had the turkey picnic.
Yeah, I had that before. What are these guys doing here? Ooh, check out these shirts. Haunted Hollywood, Planet Hollywood, Orlando. Pretty cool. Alright, got Bird is the Word. Look at this. Woo, it's too dark in here, you can't see it. Oh, whoa. Looks good, thank you. Yeah, please. Perfect, thank you. Mayo? Oh yeah, you don't need mayo.
No.